Yo, what is up? I think we're live. We're live. How we doing? It's popping. I think everything refreshed. Did we start? Can you hear me? Already marking some things up. Kind of waiting. I know it's an earlier stream. It's because we've been wanting to trade DAX a little bit earlier. So we'll see what we can get into. May not be a setup. It's just gonna have to wait an hour with me now. That's the only, I was gonna say downside, but it's an upside. So, but I'm looking at two things right now. So what Jer's looking like here is, like, I want to say buys and sells both look good, right? So we could be holding at this level of resistance. Yo, what's up? I don't like saying your name, Big Papa. I really don't. What's up, Matt? But again, a little bit of a mixed bias right now because I know that price could push up with some good volume and we can look to take out Tokyo highs, which I do think we can see that. But then we also could get a good push to the downside. Price could have treated this here as a liquidity sweep. Thought I heard something. What was that? That's a fucking someone outside or something. Start a new challenge today, so we need a 1 to 5 real quick. Only sells bad news in the news. There's news. Give me 1 second, guys. I will be back. Look, I'm already back. So, news tomorrow. I don't know. I like the buys here. I should probably actually be ready. I'm thinking sells too again. Like, it really comes down to what happens. Only sells. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see. Again, I'm going to play it really patient. India, Pakistan. Okay, good to know. Good to know. Okay. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I may look for a small push. A temporary push. Fuck, I'm not ready, man. I'm not in yet, guys, but I actually might be getting in right now, just so you guys know. I'm in. I think I'm shooting, guys, already. Yeah, I'm shooting 1 to 1. That was fast. I'm sorry, guys. Super fast. We may get cooked here, but we'll see. We'll see. We could get swept and come down, but again, we're also going to trade a little bit later, so we can afford a loss here, gentlemen and ladies. Nothing for futures? No. I mean, you can't trade this on Top Step. Not a good initial reaction, guys. I got it in small, but we'll see what happens. Again, Frankfurt Open just happened. Expecting that volume to push up, take Tokyo highs. I feel like 1-to-1s are like gambling odds. I pass on those trades. Yeah, honestly, I've just been hitting 1-to-1s just with volume, but it's been London Open, so it's kind of our first time trading Frankfurt. We'll see what happens. May take a dub, may take a loss. I am expecting price to push up possibly a little bit here. Maybe give us a 1-to-1, at least starts with W, and that's what I like to see. Again, I'm just going for a quick 101 and I'm done. Again, we still have some liquidity resting above. Super simple. I actually may close soon. I'm closing some positions. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm not. Waiting for that full push. What's up, Casper? How we doing? Again, waiting for that little bit more of a push. We may not get it, just because we just came into this area of supply and we are disrespecting it. Should have looked out for that. Not a major area of supply, I can't lie to you. Not really good structure, but that rejection's telling us we could have got hoed over, but we'll see. We still have 5 minutes for the close. I think price will end up pushing a little bit more, taking out Tokyo highs. We'll see. Got a super close stop. That's where it's like that's where it's like that's if we do end up losing, you know. We'll see. I'm excited for UK 100 later. Honestly, UK 100 has been the go for London. I'm in, mister. Yeah, I'm in for a quick 101. I liked how volume stepped into the market here, and I'm looking to target, or obviously I'm going to take out before it hits Tokyo highs or Asia highs, but I'm thinking we can push for a little 101 here with volume during Frankfurt Open, and then we may be looking for, you know, sales later into London session, because I do think we're going to push here. I think we're going to sweep Asia highs. Once we sweep Asia highs, I think we could look for sales back down to sweep a couple other areas of interest. So we'll see. But I'm really just waiting for this last push. Just coming like this. That first candle of Tokyo session was crazy. I know. It kind of pissed me off it didn't just push there. It is what it is, though. You know what I'm saying? I mean, this continues the win streak. I may not even have to trade later. I'm going to just end stream. Not even 10 minutes in. Already took a W. Or about to. Sorry about hit TP. About 3, 2. Come on. If you guys missed entry, I'm sorry. I know it was like, honestly, I wasn't even expecting entry. I really just saw volume jumped in. Waiting for this push, man. Please. My TPs are no fucking way. Oh my god. That hurt me. I gotta look away. But UK 100, I'm actually expecting buys too, which these are kind of looking decent here, where we're just breaking high. Yo, that's how pros do it. Take TP, keep the cash. Yeah. Let's see risk on trade right now on DAX. DAX, 1% of my account. And sometimes no, it's actually 2%. 2 or 3. It's alive, so no fucking way. That's fucked. Still waiting, but again, UK 100, I'm expecting buys to possibly. We already swept Asia lows. We can see it's that clear as day. That doesn't mean we're not going to push a little bit lower, and if we do, again, set stop loss at break even. I could, honestly. Yeah, I'm out at break even. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out at break even, guys. If price pushes up here, so I really just closed at break even. That rejection off of this area did not like. It's gonna push. Watch. Our profit on indices or FOREX. My win rate is higher on indices. I don't know if necessarily more profitable. I don't know. I don't know. Guys, I may have closed too early. What's your percent trade? Stop loss. How to never end? What do you mean? How to never enter early? I don't know what you're talking about. Guys, I'm out of break even, by the way. I didn't like that reaction. Yeah, honestly, I can see myself here soon, like switching up to indices entirely. Not gonna lie. Not entirely. Okay, not entirely. And that's just because like my way of trading is like intraday swing trading, so I can really just like I haven't entered any trades for Forex this whole week, and I'm not expecting anytime soon, just because nothing's looking good to me. So that's where I've really been throwing indices into the mix, and honestly been doing really good with that, while Forex is for some reason be a little bit slow right now, but we'll see. Guys, if it pushes here and you guys gotta break even, that sucks. Yeah. Forex to me makes more sense. Like this, like it makes sense, don't get me wrong, but at the same time, it's like I'm really just waiting for a line to push higher than a couple other lines on the screen. And as soon as I see that, I'm getting in for a certain amount of points. You know, I don't know. I just, the way I should like supply and demand is, whoa, next daddy, what are you doing? Who's this? Who the fuck is Top Songs? What's up, bro? Guys, I'm out. We'll see if we can catch something for UK 100. I'm not even going to count that as a win or a loss. I mean, it was break even either way, so. But I don't like I was saying I was 5. I don't want to say I'm 5-0 and fucking 1 or whatever it is. Sounds gay. See if we would have taken a loss again. If we would have had a little bit more room as far as like inefficient price and balance, because this was another like piece of another confluence for me, sorry, that really made me want to push for this trade, but we filled that in pretty quick. Did not push higher there. Could have been the reason, because again, we were coming to this zone. It may not end up holding, but we'll see. How you feel about Trump's dump and pump? What Trump coin? Bro's a G. Okay, if I was in his position, I'd do it. Nah, that's kind of crazy. It's honestly crazy as fuck. So many people made money off that. At least on a speed only account, break even. When trading works best. Yeah. Thankful went to break even. It is what it is. I'm gonna leave it here because I actually want to screenshot this later. Oh, and actually, we missed these Jer buys or DAX buys the other day here, and right before stream I got off. I told you guys that and I just want to go over it because I saw it play out. I told you guys that price was most likely going to come and sweep this high. Told you guys not to buy at this high just because price was pushing up here. We're overbought. It's just not in a good condition or state for price to continue buying from there. Yeah, it could, but more than likely it's not. And I really wanted to point this out because look what happened. We swept this high, did exactly what I said it was going to do. You could have entered at a break of this structure here, kept stops up here. Even if you went for 101, you would have backed out. But I mean, price just absolutely dumped, and it probably dumped to sweep some area of liquidity, which would have been maybe a daily low, and that's exactly what it was. So you could have targeted that, but that's if you're willing to shoot for something like that. But again, like Forex, not really looking for anything. Everything is just slow. Waiting for certain things to take place like GA. I would like buys, but I want to see price break this high here. But even then, like, price just is not looking good on the lower time frames. Ask Luca.NoLimit about you. I will. Like, if I ask them about you, are they gonna tell me like, oh, that's my boy? Or they're gonna be like, ban that motherfucker. Like, I'm just kidding. But I will ask them. But I'm just curious if it's gonna be a good reaction or a bad reaction. Still thinking what I'm gonna do for UK 100. London is a good minute away. At least we're able to get in some DAX action, but we'll see. What we could actually see during London Open is, even though we swept Tokyo lows here, I mean, yeah, even though we swept Tokyo lows, we just swept these major lows here. We have an area down here that, if I were to see price break this with some good volume, I would probably enter for a quick 101, and that would just be to come down, maybe fill in this area of imbalance, fair value gap, inefficiency, whatever you want to call it. I mean, it's all the same shit. Maybe come down to this area, fill in this gap, and then we could see price push back up. But I'm thinking we could possibly see that. A lot of it just, again, depends on volume. Just like Jer, I could have sold here as well, but it just really came down to volume. Volume pushed to the upside, took buys. We all obviously saw the reaction at the 15-minute, got out break even, right? But UK 100, we'll see. But I don't know if I really want to enter before London Open. Yeah, I'm their boy. They like me. The dead emoji throws me off. Top songs. Like, you putting that emoji makes me think they don't like you. But I'll tell them. We'll see what they say. You guys in any trades right now or what? I say this like almost every stream, but I'm just like, I'm always so curious who watches this stream. Like, I just feel like there's so many people lurking. I would just love to know who it is. I'd pay really good money if, like, YouTube was like, you can buy analytics and see who watches your shit and all this bullshit. The spread on UK 100 for me is kind of ugly right now. Yeah, UK 100 is fucking stupid. Oh my god, yesterday, like, yesterday, honestly, I basically had to go for a 1 to 2, and my goal is just a 1 to 1, but spread fucked me that hard. I mean, pause, but it just wasn't good. Get you up the day for money. Not right now. Break even. Not down, not up. Right now, just I didn't close any positions on this trade. Got out of break even, just because I had a horrible reaction at this area. So price just may be ready to sell, but I could see myself possibly hopping into sells here. But I'm not going to act off of impulse. So, but nah, just chilling right now. Got a nice W yesterday. Yeah. Thank you, Red Dog. I'll take that into consideration. I really will. I'll take that into consideration. I'll try to cool it. I'll give you that. I'll cool it. But UK 100, I don't know. Do you guys want to jump in? I don't know if I'm going to jump in, but we could see something. You'll benefit in life. I know. I mean, obviously, if I'm in a meeting, I'm not cussing, but I mean, depends what kind of meeting too, though. So, I don't know if he's asleep, but he's just been trading power hour. So he may be up. I think he does just kind of take advantage of this time to get some sleep, but you know, he'll be on for power hour. He's been killing it. So guys, UK 100 is screaming my name. I don't know. I don't know. News is red hot. What news? I know you said it earlier. I'm looking here. I'm not really seeing much. Oh, we got it right here. The deal seems distant. What's good, coach? What's up? Geos is Tay? So Tay? I think this is the Tay I know. The Tay from the mentorship. If I am not mistaken. What's up? What's up? Oh, spread is gonna be so ugly that what's your zodiac sign? What is it, like Taurus? Taurus? Is that what it is? Yeah. I'm a Taurus. Why do you want to know my zodiac? What's up, Tay? How you doing? How's the trading been this week? India, Pakistan, and my drive the DXY up real high. We'll see. We'll see. Guys, I'm somewhat interested in these sells. I'm not gonna act fast though. I'm selling, by the way. I'm in. I'm shooting. Break even on the other trade, so I feel like it's somewhat necessary to shoot. Real tight stop losses. Real tight. Could get hoed. Honestly, I'm like not risking hardly anything. I don't like that. Fuck. How did I fuck up? I accidentally press fucking buy when I try to fucking... Shit pissed me off, man. I'm expecting price to push here. We'll see though. We'll see. I'm in, by the way. Let's read this. All homies hate UK 100 spread. Yes, I hate it. It's horrible. Nick, how to overcome over trading and revenge trading. Honestly, I feel like it comes down to like, one, you have to be disciplined, but like, I don't know, like I go back to like everything outside of like trading could really affect trading, you know? So, again, if you're not disciplined in life, how do you expect to be disciplined in this area? You know, like it just doesn't work like that. Do you sell on Jarrett? I was asking you a question. April or May? April top songs. Guys, just like Dax. I mean, yeah, Dax, yeah. It's kind of fucking around here. We'll see what happens. Good thing we got our break even here, guys. I'm possibly maybe seeing a sell. 23263. That shit's far down. Fuck. I mean, I see a possible sell down into that area. I can't lie. Like a possible break of this, especially with the volume that we're seeing. Guys, I don't like this reaction. We could have just got involved in a liquidation. The only reason I'm not going to take this is just because I'm in UK 100. A little bit of draw, but again, if you're looking for sells, we could actually sell down into this area. Again, both of these points here are areas of interest. Two, 3, 2, 6, 1. Jared, UK 100, because 2, 3, 2, 6, 1's all the way down here for me, at least on my screen. So I don't know. No, guys, we might get hoed. Might take the first loss of a stream. Still in. Still in, still in, still in. Still in. Got haven't gotten out yet. But yeah, that was not okay. That was a not okay reaction to where I probably will end up just getting taken out here, but we'll see what happens. So we'll see. We still have London open, so I may take one more trade. I usually only allow myself 3 trades when it comes to indices. So we'll see. We'll see. Might still win this one. We'll see. Exactly. What do you mean exactly, Vian? I don't know what you mean. I don't. Price is stuttering. I don't like it. But we could get a push lower. Again, we just filled this gap, right? Seeing that, and now we swept these highs. If you get some good volume to the downside, go for 101, go for 102. You could even target this area down here, but again, nothing's promised. So price may not just shoot down there instantly. On U30. I'm out. Damn. Took a motherfucking L. Watch, it's gonna still come down. Price just tapped me out right there. L in the fucking chat. You guys are allowed to spam it. Nah. We'll see if we got your W right now going into London, but still got some time, so I got about 30 minutes, so unless we see something on chair, but I don't know. Going short on AD and CD tonight. This currency are about to tank. Mid-London news gets hot. Yeah, possibly. Guys, should I jump in sells? I don't know. Easy as pie. Contemplating this here. I might get in. I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna get in. Last trade. I'm gonna get in. Last trade. What's up, bro? So far, mid. Can't lie. Break even trade. Almost took a W. Price nearly tapped our 1-to-1 here. It is what it is. UK 100 took a loss. Price is pushing back down. It's one of those days. One of those days. Selling on Jared, guys. We'll see what happens. We'll see. We'll give it some time. We have time. We have time. But again, I know you're saying you're selling on Forex pairs. I'm curious to look at those, and I'll look at those later tonight, but we'll see. We'll see. Stops a little bit higher. Could be an L day, guys. Could be an L day. But you guys already know. Tomorrow we'll come back. We'll fucking be back. But we already backed out insanely. This or yesterday, I guess. But we're still gonna win on DAX right now. It'll be a break-even day about. So we'll see. I have had trade with NZD, like to range. Stop again. Okay. What I might do, honestly, is I could actually go for a 1 to 2 if we really get a good push here on DAX. And we can still end the day up with a fucking W. Guys want price to tank, man. Just give me that push. Guys, it really would suck to see UK 100 dump here, but I think that's going to happen. I think it's going to happen. It sucks. It sucks. It sucks, especially if you guys took it with me. But that's trading for you guys. I'm so curious to see what happens at London Open. I may, even though I'm not going to allow myself to take any more trades after this, I still might come in and see what's popping during London. So we'll see. We'll see. And I may just kind of call a trade or, but if something's looking spectacular, maybe I'll go on a different account. Nah. I can feel London's going to be a barn burner. That's what we said. Yeah, I know cartooning. I know. Nah, I'm not going to go on a different account. But again, I still want to chill with you guys through London Open and see what can happen. Maybe even like call something out that I think I like. But DAX needs to hurry up. Yep, combo for the storm. So like I was saying earlier, if we do get a really good push here down, I don't have TPs set. So I just have an open trade right now. I don't even have stop loss set, to be honest with you. But that's just because I spammed up on those positions, and I mean, it's not going to fuck me over that bad. But if we can push down to that 1-to-1, I'm going to just see if we can continue to push down, maybe move a couple positions to break even. Maybe take a couple positions out, and, see if we can end up ending the day up instead of break even, because this would just cover our loss from fucking UK 100. Might just delete the fucking pair, to be honest. UK 100 has been blessing us, but no one can ever be 100%. That'd be crazy. I actually have some friends that went crazy during April Didn't lose all of April, but that doesn't mean they're still going to be 100% because at some point they're going to lose. And I'm not saying that as like a and their downfall, but it's just the name of the game. It's trading. But a lot of times there's usually a reason why you lost. So what I mean is like there's probably a factor that came into play if it wasn't yourself, the markets, whatever it is. Nah, I don't really trade New York. I don't like it. I honestly, I don't really like how NQ, like NAS moves. I don't really like. US 30 is not bad. Maybe I just don't trade it enough to like really say that for sure, but I'm just like, whatever about it. This trade needs a push already. London's definitely going to help it, but we still got London is still a solid minute away. So UK 100 didn't sell off, guys. This is definitely something I'm going to go back into data. Again, I didn't like that we already swept these lows here, but I ignored that only because price massive gap here. So once I saw price again shoot with some type of volume, I got in, got faked here. It is what it is. We may come up, fill this area here, and then shoot down, but that's probably highly unlikely because we still have Asia highs. We could push for those, and we might, so we'll see. Do Dex, you gonna move? I don't, not really. I wouldn't say so. Like sometimes you'll see them moving similarly, but it's not like I don't see DAX getting influenced like by UK 100 like that. Just waiting for this push. I don't know. How do you guys feel about me going live 30 minutes early? We would have just been getting on. To think about it, we may have not even won. We wouldn't have taken the first trade or the second. Maybe not even this trade. So, it's 11 the move now. Is it not the move if we end up having L day? That could be the reason. Let's only trade London open. Again, every little factor, like even when I take trades on stream, like no matter what it is, like every factor that comes into play, writing it down, journaling data, everything, every little possibility, just because who's not to say that later on I start to notice something happening a lot more. I'm able to go back into data, see how many times it's occurring, how it's affecting my trading. I can change it up, do whatever I need to do. So, and again, like the only reason I mentioned that is because like just data is so important. You guys don't understand that. I mean, a lot of you probably understand that, but at the same time, like a lot of you probably also underestimate like how important that is. Always get filled, but they have a lot of fake outs and then fill. Not W 30 minutes. What do you mean? W 30 minutes. I appreciate that. Yeah, I mean it's been a W so far. I mean, we're down, but DAX is about to win. I know it, but we'll see what's popping at London. What I'm thinking London might see is a push up on UK 100. Maybe take out Asia highs here. I won't be entering, but if you guys want to enter, I mean, a break of this area of resistance, I wouldn't lie, would be pretty nice, but you'd want to see a pretty good close or at least a lot of volume being pushed into the market, which again, if it came around the time of London Open or the 5 minutes before, I would personally shoot just at the first break of this high, to be honest, just because I kind of trust in London a push in my general direction if I have a really strong bias. So, and I'd say that's pretty strong, at least to me, but I won't be entering. Excuse me. $32 people in here. You guys gotta like it up. I'd appreciate that. That's not good. I was not paying attention. Guys, did we just... Still chilling. We're still chilling. Next, did you know that the first major world stock market crash? I didn't know that. It's pretty cool. Can't lie. It's pretty cool. The more you know, you know? It's pretty interesting. Where'd you learn that? Come on, DAX. I just hate waiting. That's why I like trading London Open. It's like I'm already out. Like the funny thing is, like, I'll wait a whole 2 weeks to take a trade when it comes to Forex, but when it comes to indices, I'm just like, fuck. Like, either hit my stop loss or hit TP. It's like, come on. But DAX is not looking good, guys. Stop loss is here. We could get stopped out right now. Could be one of those days. But don't worry, I'll chill on here for a little bit longer. See if we can call it W, even if I'm not taking it. Especially during London Open. We're going to see if we can back out. But just got caught in a couple fake outs. This was the W here. That was the W trade of the day. I can't lie, but we just got missed. Just got missed barely. But Cartoony, where'd you learn that? So that's pretty intriguing, my guy. X is not looking good. How much do you normally risk and make? I've been risking about 500 to 1,000. Probably like 500. So L day, can't lie. My pedo history teacher. That's crazy. Your pedo history teacher. Wow, the more you know. It depends, actually. Top songs, like sometimes it's 300. Sometimes it's 500. Funded account, 1,000. More, 2,000. Depends. Really, really depends. If I'm flipping an account, I don't know. Just depends. Just depends. Kind of want to flip an account, like kind of what Luca's doing. I kind of want to come in here with what 500 to 1,000, and just see if we can bag out during London. They're doing New York. I'll be doing London. Make a shit ton of money. What are you about to know about the Cold War? I probably know probably little to nothing. Cartoony, little to absolutely fucking nothing about that. I mean, I went to school, but like, if I'm being 100% honest, like, I was good in school. I was smart. Don't get me wrong, but had a lot of smart friends too. And when I say smart friends, just friends willing to do the work for me. I either paid them, or honestly, like, the one thing I took advantage of, and like, if there's anyone of my friends that are watching this, and I'm not saying I did this to everyone, but I was just super cool with everyone. Like everyone, the nerds, everybody, to where like if I needed something and I asked, they kind of just gave it to me. Why? Because I was nice. So what's up, Jocko? Jocko, L day, man. We're still in DAX right now. We still could get a push down here. But we took this UK 100L, man. Took that L and then got taken out at break even up here. Girls also? Yeah, I'd say some. A lot of guys, but yeah, some girls too. Or like my friend, for some reason, all the cheerleaders loved him in my math class. And he would just get the work from them and then he would just give it to like everyone. Bro is just a G like that. Has anyone from high school hit you up about trading? Yeah, actually a couple people. You'll be surprised. I've had someone ask me for money. Crazy. And it was some girl too. I was like, what the fuck? I say, who the fuck do you think I am? I was like, I don't even like, it's not that I didn't know you, but I'm like if you're my girl and like asking for money, it's different. But like, even then I'm like, the fuck? Guys, we just got blue balled pretty fucking badly right there. Nah, that tells me price is gonna fly right now. Just L day, Jocko. Kind of sucks. Did you ever have like a nice teacher? Like a nice one? I know what you're trying to get at, Cartoon. These questions always pop up when you have money. What questions? Like for money? Yeah, they do. But a couple people, I just like ignore. I don't ignore the fuck out of people. They ask me for money. I mean, it's just like, again, I'll give my mom money. If I had a girl, she wants some money, maybe, spoiler, but a little bit. But who the fuck are you to text me and ask me for money? Crazy. And Cartoony, to answer you, I don't think I ever had a nice teacher like that. That's what you're trying to get at. I don't think so. I think I had one Indian friend. One Indian friend in elementary school. And like, believe it or not, I'm trying to, hold on. His family did own this one like corner liquor store. It's pretty cool. I went in there a couple times. He was cool. It's cool friends. But did I like him? I mean, he was cool. Yeah, I mean, he didn't like talk a lot. I mean, I can't say that. Honestly, I don't really remember, but what are you guys conversating about? Honestly, we're conversating about a lot. School a lot. What the hell, bro? You're racing now. I'm racing. What? Oh my gosh, guys. Dax kind of fucked. It's just fucking around. Bottom of me. And to see me just swing at the camera and the stream just gonna end. I'm liking these buys here, but again, I'm not taking them. There's a lot of back and forth buying here where we could just be, or buying and selling where we could honestly just be stuck within a range. And that's why we're getting stuck in these little traps here. What are you saying, racing, Cartoony? If you're saying racist, that's not the case. I've never been racist, and I never will be. It's not in my blood. This is what happens when you drink. It's not beer. Like, if you guys ever saw me drinking beer on stream like that, reach out. Because, no, it's just water. It's like it's carbonated, so it's like a craving killer. Especially because I'm cutting so hard right now, so I'm fucking Starving. You're crazy, cartoony. Nah, I've never said that. I I've never said that. I deny any allegation. We're not asking any more of those questions. That's crazy. Guys, sorry. First losing day. Ended the win streak. He's capping. I'm not capping, cartoony. Don't fucking play with me right now. Nah. UK 100 might be breaking. Yeah, guys, honestly, I'm thinking if you guys want to take UK 100 buys, I think that might be the star of the show. I actually am about to get taken out on DAX. Kind of sucks. Still not out, but kind of a shitty day. First loss, but we backed out this last week and yesterday, so we're gonna back out tomorrow as well. I mean, we still might hit break even. Who knows? Dax is playing with us right now. It's really fucking around. It's really making me press because at this point, I just want it to either hit my stop loss or hit fucking take profit and just, you know. Oh yeah, I'm in on Jocko. I like these sells to the downside. Had Asia lows. Price uses point is more of a liquidity sweep. I like that. Got break even on this trade. Thought price was going to dump here. We did get a little bit of a push, but price may just not be ready, you know. So but UK 100s at this area where we could see a push higher. I would like to see, in all honesty, London open with price breaking this high. Maybe we come back in and we break this high. Oh no, what do you ask me, Cartoon Nicks? How do you feel about, excuse me, how do you feel about people such as Egyptians and St. Edward? I honestly don't want to answer any questions. You know, I'm gonna tell you, you can say what you want, Cartoon. You can say what you want. I'm not gonna stop you. If you feel like you can, that's all you. Guys, this shit's pissing me off. Two L's, guys. Fucking L day, but you have to know these things. I mean, if you feel like you need to say it, say it. That's you. That's you. I'm not taking this, but honestly, I know these are probably going to hit. Short gold, you're tripping. Guys, I'm going to chill with you until London opens. See what happens. I'm not going to take anything else, but if you guys are in here, you're in here. L day, guys. L day. Can't let you. Where's Vicente? Vicente. Is this Jesus? I don't even know where Vicente is. Probably his house. Probably at his house. Guys, I wonder if price is going to react off this for value gap. One thing I'm going to note, if we do end up pushing to these highs up here, is we've really been seeing a lot of manipulation, bro. When my conscience will not let me take a UK buy with this ugly ass spread, it hurts. Yeah, yeah, I agree with you. It's pretty bad, bro. When you meet Ollie Trades, please ask him if he remembers me. I mean, I've already met Ollie Trades, but next time I see him, I'll let him know. I think he's, I don't know if he told people if he moved. Yeah, he still trades. Yeah. He's not trading right now. Like this time. He'll trade in the morning. In the morning. Guys, it would suck to see the only WB UK 100 today and us not taking it, but that's life. It's just already halfway up my TP entry. I know that's what happened to me the other day. Honestly sucked. But it is what it is. Nah, all I'm ready for is to go to sleep, to be honest. I'm so tired. Been hitting 2-a-days in the fucking gym. Just bored out of my mind. Like, what the fuck am I supposed to do? FOREX been slow as fuck. You know, like I just been trading at night and just waking up, hitting 2 workouts. Maybe doing some work, mentorship meetings. But sleep's about to hit. Yeah, bro, the spreads are fucked. Again, UK 100s, it's gonna win. To the point where it's like, fuck waking up. Nah, not waking up. Fuck getting on at 11. I like Jer, don't get me wrong, but UK 100 has been blessing us at London Open or near London Open with these really good volume pushes. So, you know. Nix, you saved my life. How'd I save your life? Tell me. I'm intrigued. If you guys caught UK 100 buys, you're fucking goat. Again, one thing I was going to say that I'm going to note is we got into these sells here with the expectation of pushing into this imbalance, but keep in mind, we just swept these lows. We've been seeing a lot of manipulation during London of a session, meaning that a lot of times, or at least within the past couple of weeks, I've just been noticing price sweeping highs and lows and just mainly focusing on manipulating Asia. And then from there, it does whatever the fuck it wants. But if we can catch that move in between, you know, perfect 101s or 102s, but just hit 101, just hit a good liquidity point. You know, you could get out. I can't lie. You can hold a little bit longer. If you really wanted to push it, you could catch a fucking 1-8. You're crazy, you're a monster, but that's a little bit absurd. Again, nothing's promised, so. But we'll see right now in 4 minutes what happens. I think we're going to end up getting that push all the way up to Asia highs. I hope you guys are in it. You know, catch you guys a W before I get off. But you guys already know I'll be back tomorrow to capitalize on the motherfucking week. Head and shoulders, what time frame? If you're talking lower time frames, I see it. You think it's similar for NAS and US 30, but it would sweep London high. I say so, Tay. I say so. Love you, bro. Good night. Yo. Pause. Nah, good night, bro. Thank you for tuning in, bro. Appreciate all the support. You already know. Always appreciate it. Top songs. I'm so curious how to save your life, bro. Come on. Tell me. I low-key blank space right now, fucking locking in, looking at this shit. The one thing I'd say is this UK 100 trade was our only L trade of the day. Other than that, everything was, I think, perfect. Even though we took out here, you see my life because you give me reasons to have besides inhaling that thing and doing black, bro. What the fuck does that end mean? And doing black, bro. Whoa, I appreciate the first part. I don't know what the last part means, but you know, I'll tell you. Yeah. Again, hopefully you guys took out that 101. This is another big reason I go for these 101s is as soon as you see a break of an area like this, sometimes you only get that 101 push when it comes to these, these real quick moves, volume. But like 1 to 2 minutes, we'll see what happens. To price. I'm interested to see what happens with Jer. I have a feeling we are going to end up selling off, right? I did like these sells here. It was a good area to sell from, especially being that we use this area that as liquidity point, even though we took these buys here, which were valid into this area. So respect this area, came off of this inefficient price, sold off. You never did black, bro. What are you talking about, Cartoony? What is black? Don't say some shit that's gonna get you banned either. Because I have a feeling I know what it is. Alright, what do you think is gonna happen, guys? Whoa. Hopefully you guys got out that 101. Oh, it's London hasn't even fucking opened. What the fuck? Well, everybody and their mom has got liquidated. Crazy ass fucking candles. DAX is just barely. Not crazy ass candles. Again, I didn't even take that, but if you guys actually caught those 101s, that would have been nice. But if you held through open, you would have got fucked. I can't lie. Can't lie. But other way, chop day. DAX is selling off, kind of like I intended it to. Came up into this value gap, filled that in actually probably almost perfectly, and took that. Exactly. Yeah, so price came up and filled in this value gap, which I'm not saying that made or break the trade, but my buy still stands corrected where we took buys, treated it as more of a liquidity sweep after we came up, had a really crazy rejection, and we had a nice sell-off, but just got caught on the wrong side of the market. I mean, we didn't, but just got taken out. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, guys. Oh, fuck, I'll stay on it for a couple minutes. What am I doing? I'm tweaking. TP2 Jer out. Yeah. You guys caught Jer sells. Good. You could have had a big a big stop loss. But, we're having a crazy pullback. Q-Bank's blocking me too. Q-Banks blocks you. Who is this? What? Is that your Rari? Is that your Ferrari, richest person? If it is, it's a very sexy Ferrari. Do I know a Cinco de Mayo is about? Honestly, I'm not gonna answer that because I honestly probably don't. I know we celebrate it, but you inform me. I wonder why Tory Trades blocked you, Cartoony. I really, really wonder why. I can't imagine what you said to her. Because you'd be saying some crazy ass shit in this chat. Guys, I don't know how I feel about today's open. It was chopped. You asked her about me? Stop fucking playing. Did she? You're tripping. UK 100 seemingly coming down. Earlier bias when I did take sells was filling in this area of imbalance or inefficient price, whatever you want to call it. But we'll see what happens as London continues to play out. I am going to keep an eye on it after I hop off, just to see how price plays out, because again, when it comes to like taking a loss, taking a win, I still like seeing what price does, even an entire day after, just because it gives me a better idea on if I could have done anything better, if I did anything right, anything wrong, whatever it may be. You know, in this case, we did take a loss, but the bias may still end up being correct and we still may end up selling off, you know. And it's just about understanding I was too early. Let's work on it, you know, because again, like no matter what point you're at, you still need data for everything. Thousand pips. Yeah, if Jared sells off 1,000 pips, I'm gonna come on the stream so fucking pressed tomorrow. So pressed for getting taken out right before that. It's crazy. Hoodville post. Data tells that. Nice. Nah, I think Jared's gonna tank, man. We'll see. We'll see. But I mean, there's not really much going on, guys. I already took a couple trades today. If you guys did take them, we took some losses, but price ended up playing in our direction on both of those losses. It is what it is. But you guys already know I'll be back tomorrow. We'll make a little bit of money back, and then we'll continue to hop back on that winning train. So I will catch you guys tomorrow. I appreciate the likes. Appreciate all of you in here. You guys are fucking killing it with 30 people in here. But yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow for another winning motherfucking day. So sorry. I know I said I was going to stop cussing. I don't know if you're in here. I think it was like Red Dog or Red Guitar or something. I'll watch it. I got you. Hits a stop reverse. Really? You got that off data, Vion? That's lit. Yo, good night, Jocko. I'm glad you caught those sells. If anyone else caught those sells, you're awesome. Actually, everybody's awesome. But see you guys later. I am out of here.